and today I'm going to show you how to unlock the all-new Motorola Atrix 2. This particular one is from AT&T, however it is from many carriers from all around the world. It's a very simple process, so let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing you're going to want to do is power up your phone. You can do this with or without a SIM, and you're going to open up the dialer. In this case I have the emergency dialer here, so I'm going to tap that, and then I'm simply going to dial *#06#. And when I do that, I'm going to get the IMEI of the phone. It's a 15-digit number unique to every single phone. So you can either write that down or leave this screen up. And then you're going to go over to unlockthatphone.com. We have our 3 drop-down menus. The very first one is the carrier of your phone. In this particular case is AT&T. The next one is the manufacturer. And finally the model, which is the Motorola Atrix 2. And then you enter your IMEI into this box right here, and then hit unlock now. It's also very important to note the turnaround time and the price for this phone. They're displayed there once you select everything, so just make sure you're checking that out before you go ahead and purchase. And once you do that, you will get the code in the specified time on the site. You got here thank you, as well as some codes, and then finally a link to the video, this video, to unlock your phone, as well as anything else you might need to know about your purchase. So once you do that, you get your phone and power it up with a SIM card that doesn't belong to the carrier your phone's locked to. In this particular circumstance, I have a T-Mobile SIM in my AT&T Atrix 2. So I'm going to have to power this off to reboot it to get it to ask me for the code. So I'm going to do that right now. So just bear with me while I do that. Okay, phone's off. I'm going to go ahead and power it back up. And once I do that, very simply the phone is going to ask me for the unlock code. I'm going to enter it. And that's it, and the phone will be unlocked for use on any GSM carrier in the world. So just hold on while this gets up, and then we'll be off and running. Just give it a second when this one takes a little bit to load. But as soon as it loads up, it will immediately ask for the code. You don't have to do anything here. It's just going to go right to the code screen. Almost ready, and it's going to do that, and then it will ask me for the code. SIM network unlock pin. Make sure the phone's saying that. If it's saying anything else, it's asking for something different. So very simply, I just tap this area, and when I do that, I'll get up the keyboard, and I have 3 codes here for this particular phone, so I'm going to start with the first one. Hopefully that one goes through. So hold on a second. 5321. 5186. And then I'm just going to hit focus in here, and I'm going to hit unlock. Network unlock successful. So now the phone's unlocked for any GSM carrier in the world. And up here on the top, we're going to go ahead and start to see signal in a second. Let me see here. Let me forward this through here so we can show you that the phone's working perfectly. This is the first time I use this, so I got to set everything up real quick. Skip setup. Next, and you can see up there on the top edge. However, I'm going to pull this down for you. Okay, so there you go on the top here. T-Mobile running on the Motorola Atrix 2 from AT&T and other carriers around the world. I'm going to skip all this stuff and just show you real quick again. T-Mobile, it's running on Edge here in the US. And that's about it. So quick review, guys. You're going to take your phone powered up. You're going to dial *#06#, get your IMEI, head over to unlockthatphone.com, check out, put all that information in. You're going to get the code. You're going to power up the phone with a SIM card that doesn't belong to the carrier the phone's locked to. It's going to ask for the code. You're going to enter it, and that's it. And as you can see again, T-Mobile on the Atrix 2 from AT&T. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate your business.